So the ingredients that you need is what, Oak?
The ingredients we need is this organic whole Greek yogurt. We also need some fruits of our choice. We picked blueberries and what are these? Raspberries. And then you'll also need toothpicks. And parchment paper with this cookie sheet. With a cookie sheet. Yeah, that cookie sheet. Yeah. So that's the ingredients you'll need to make them. And Morgan showed them. And
so you dab the raspberry with the toothpick.
Yep.
Ready?
Then you open the Greek yogurt. Oak, you want to open the Greek yogurt?
I'll open it, yeah. That was our little brother. Now we're just gonna open the Greek yogurt. And remember, we get ours from Food Lion, but there's other Greek yogurts out there that are just as good. Here we go, and then Morgan, and then show it, Dad.
So Morgan messed up the first one.
It broke on me.
Hey!
It's like...
Stir this up. What are we doing?
Wait, Dad, stop it real quick. Just stop.
I'm in here. I'm the dad. I'm in here trying to show them how to make this.
Morgan's over here dipping it without stirring it. This Greek yogurt is kind of good. Let me taste.
It is.
Let me taste.
What do you think, Oak?
Kind
of bitter?
Sour. It's not very yummy. It tastes like rotten cheese. Oh, Morgan's hanging off. Oh, he's crying. Ugh. No, this is mine. I know. I'm gonna have you.
Hold on, guys. Will someone hold the camera?
No. Yeah. But Dad, I just wanted to tell you, even if you sent it to my phone, it would still be pink because
Here, look out.
I did something to make it pink, but I'll fix it, okay?
Okay, honey.
But yeah, Riley, you're sending this video to me because I edit the family.
Great.
Okay. I got Greek yogurt in my nose.
She's got Greek yogurt in her nose.
I got it.
Ew.
And now I smell yogurt in my nose.
And Oak just skates around the house.
I'm sorry. I'm on a hoverboard. Oh my god. Blueberries.
That's what our Saturdays consist of here
Yes, doing projects.
at the Roberson household.
Crafts and eating blueberries. We are always cooking. It's so yummy.
Blueberries.
What?
Now we're doing blueberries.
Blueberries.
Hey, this blueberry here got cheated.
I know.
Y'all cheated this blueberry.
Come here, blueberries. All messed up. Well, this one's very lucky.
It's all right. Just get it. There you go, Oak. That's perfect. Oak, that one is perfect.
Okay, there's Daddy. Let me see that one. Can I have
Perfect, Oak.
Thank you, Daddy. Can I have a toothpick? We got Daddy over here doing that. We got Morgan. We got Riley right here. We got Skyly, cute little Kai bug. And then this little crazy doohickey thingy. Thundercat. Huh? Eat it. Is it yummy? So cute. Easton, let's say hi to the camera.
I like dark. You like dark too? Milk.
Look. Say hi, Easton. Hi. What game are you playing? Catboy. Oh, Miraculous. That's awesome, buddy. We love Miraculous. Oh, stay tuned. Stay tuned because we are having a new unboxing video coming out soon.
Yes.
And we're not even gonna tell you what it is, but it is an unboxing video and it's a surprise what we are unboxing. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Look how delicious these look.
I know, so good.
Wait, I thought we were doing chocolate.
Oh, we are. This is the first step of.
Yeah, we have to freeze these and then do the chocolate because if we do just this, it's just gonna not stick.
Okay. Are these good, Daddy?
Yes.
So we have Morgan over here. She just explained the logic. and behind the yogurt stuff. But remember, it has to be Greek yogurt, does it?
Yes.
Yes, it has to be Greek yogurt. Little Nut doesn't care, he's just eating.
This is healthy snacks.
Healthy snacks that you can make in your family. All you gotta do is ask your parents. And remember, always ask your parents before cooking. Always, right, Dad?
Yep.
Here's a load for you guys. Oh, wait, let's see what Kyle has to do.
my idea.
Whoa!
Stop stealing my idea.
You guys, that's bunches. Okay, wait, I'm gonna spread them out because I'm not doing anything.
You want to spread them out though, right? And you want to make sure they're fully covered, or else they're not going to work right.
I know, Dad.
These raspberries look really sad, guys.
They look lonely.
Look, someone barely.
They're sickening. They're sick
out,
over
Ryan.
there. Daddy, really got any of this nasty yogurt on it?
Yeah.
How many minutes? Ow, sorry.
So this is step
Step
1.
Step 1. Cover
Fruit with
cover
yogurt.
fruit with Greek yogurt. If it's not Greek yogurt, you might as well just stop while you're ahead.
Blueberries.
It's okay. Blueberries are yummy. Plus, there's like 10,000 of them in here. I'm gonna take some for myself. You guys want some? There you go. Here you go.
Yes. Well, you just take that one off.
Eat
That one
it.
doesn't even look right.
Eat it.
Is that one?
He likes eating it off the stick, don't you?
Mama. Eat the yogurt.
Oh. Well, this is a tough one. Alright, guys, I think we're done with fruit.
All right.
We are. Okay, so we are done. We are done with the first step of the fruit. So, are we done with the first step of the fruit?
First step is done.
First step done. Now we're gonna wait 30 minutes. 30 minutes is what I'm trying to say.
There's yogurt all over.
Look at little buddy here trying to get him one. Hey, little buddy. Oh, he just eats them.
One.
No,
Me
man.
So good, actually.
All right, he only wants one.
No, he doesn't.
All right. All right.
See you guys in
Be
30
back for step 2.
In 30 minutes. Bye.
Okay, and now we're gonna put the chocolate on.
What kind of chocolate do we have for these?
I'm gonna eat
Dark
it.
chocolate.
Oh, Daddy, and dark chocolate, and we have a bowl to put them in, and then we're gonna heat them up in the microwave.
Okay. So what do we do next?
So we put the chocolate in the bowl.
Yes, and wait, you cannot pour chocolate out without eating at least one. Which you know what I'm gonna do.
Ooh, it looks so good.
It's dark chocolate.
So we
Okay.
Simba's always in the background. You see him back there? He wants some chocolate too. Everybody wants chocolate out of it. Look at little Num Num. He's the pepperoni bandit.
Pepperoni bandit. I'm the bandit eater. I'm bandit eating chocolate.
Looks like it's melting pretty good in there. You excited?
Yes, I'm really excited.
Is this a how-to video?
This is, which step is this, girls?
This is a how-to video, and it's step 2. Step 2.
So, my intro is, hi guys, welcome to today's video. And today we're going to be doing, that's my intro, Daddy.
That's your intro? Perfect, Oakley. That looks really good.
Thank
So
you,
set
Daddy.
it down.
Okay, flip it. Oh, it dropped. You did it. Eastern.
Oh my gosh, you need a...
Here's my blueberry. Dipping it in chocolate. Oh my gosh, guys.
Y'all want to move this to the table? It'd be easier.
Yeah, let's move
look
it to
at
the
this
table.
one.
All right, let's move it to the table. It's going to be easier.
Daddy. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa,
That's
that
a
was
chocolate-covered
delicious.
raspberry. Let's move it to the table.
Okay, so attempt 2. Oh no!
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So you want Daddy to do one?
Yeah.
This is right. I don't know where it went.
Ooh, look how good that one is, Daddy. Daddy, do you think this one looks good? Easton, stop dripping them on all of them. Daddy, do you think this one looks good? No, just set it down.
Yes.
Like that.
Let's see here. Nolan, that's mine. Nolan's fighting me in here. We're not sword fighting over the chocolate here, buddy.
Hey, which person
Nolan was in there sword fighting me. Is he eating the chocolate, buddy? That's hot.
It's good.
Okay, he broke the rules. You broke the rules, buddy.
Dad, look how good this one is. Dad, look how good this
Hold
is.
on, hold on. Let's see.
Look how good it is. I want to eat it. Look at this one. It's like chocolate.
It's chocolate. What are you talking about?
Get off the...
Oh, does it have to be whole?
When you try to twist these around, you got to kind of roll them a little bit because when you try to twist them, the berry comes off the...
Daddy, Easton's just putting it in there.
Which is what Easton
purposely. Morgan, Easton's purposely putting it in. I can't get it.
I lost mine.
I see it. It's back there.
Just so.
Oh no, that's not it. Let me just.
Morgan's fishing out Easton's because he lost his in there.
Yep, I lost mine too.
That's a good one, Kai. Good job. All right, and this conundrum here,
You can just hear me skating in the
this berry got a little destroyed.
Oakley still thinks the house is a skating rink.
Listen, I've already said I skate everywhere. You let me bring the skates over from my.
This is step 2.
my fault.
No, this is step 3.
No, step 3 is...
No, this is step 3 because we're giving it a Easton, you're making me lose mine. Move.
Step 2, right?
No fighting.
Sorry.
Okay, this is step 2. We are melting it and dipping it.
No,
which looks
guys,
so
my
good.
berry's like breaking.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know you're spreading.
That's bad. My berry broke.
It's like the chocolate's getting...
Harder. Yeah, it gets hard. Duh.
So this is a bit of a challenge, especially when you have 5 kids helping you.
Yes.
You see here?
Maybe if you have less kids, maybe it'll work better. Okay?
Maybe. I think they look good.
Who is sword fighting me?
My blueberry's
We're
stuck.
not gonna lick the thing and put it back in there. That's gross. No one wants your seconds.
It's all over my fingers.
Nope, nope, we're not doing this no more.
Wow. You just made me get chocolate all over my hands.
So
does not-
we have to reheat it.
Because it's getting a little.
We only got a couple of good ones out of it, and the chocolate, what it started to do,
Yeah, see,
it
this
started to
one-
harden back up pretty quick.
See, that's really cold already. This one, this one.
Hey, don't touch them all. Okay, Nolan.
Guys, my hand is so chocolatey.
Ew!
Like everybody. See, this is already hardened.
Yeah, most of them are already hardened, so we have to put the chocolate back in the thing.
It's good. Nolan. And Nolan, did you eat all the chocolate? Yeah.
Nettie, so cute. And by the way, remember, always ask your parents before using the microwave, cooking, or using the stove. Always ask them. Right, Daddy and Morgan?
Is that right, Sky?
Yes.
Very
You gotta ask parents. You need to tell parents everything that you do, or else, like,
supervision.
yes, you need parent supervision while cooking.
Oh
my God, did I need to rhyme?
Yay! Oh, guys, don't worry if our chocolate ones are out. We have a second bag. It's like chunky.
Always get extra chocolate when doing anything with chocolate.
It's like burnt, Morgan.
It ain't hurt.
It's not pearl.
Can you keep going down? I can't reach the chocolate bowl. This is family try.
You got chocolate in your nose.
Guys, Nolan has chocolate in his nose. Guys, we lost.
You're waiting for his chocolate.
I know, Simmer.
Guys, we have already lost like 15 berries.
Hi, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, hi you guys. So finally, they're finished. Finally.
This whole
We
thing takes an
literally-
hour.
Wait, we literally just now, like 3 seconds ago, I got these out. And yeah, it takes about an hour to make. We've told you what we use, but what we need to use, but we'll tell you again. So what it takes to use this is 1 hour of your time dedicated to these. Also, fruits of your choice.
It's really healthy.
Greek yogurt, and
Raspberry.
and chocolate. Any kind of chocolate that you want, just make sure you can melt it. All
Well,
chocolate
if you
you can
want to
melt.
stay healthy, use dark chocolate.
Yes.
Yes, use dark
Because
chocolate.
that's what we use. Because we use healthy snacks.
And the berries that we use is blueberries and raspberries.
Raspberries and blueberries.
So you can use any fruits you want. Bananas, we're actually gonna try bananas.
You can use bananas. You can use a lot of fruits.
Any fruits you want. But we just chose these two because these are the fruits our family likes the best. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite fruit, and comment down below if you do this.
Okay, now who wants to try one first?
Me.
All right, one of you guys try it.
I'm gonna try a blueberry. I'm trying the blueberry. I don't
All
like
right, let me know how you like it.
Okay, blueberry.
Mmm. Is it cold? Is it good? Your face did not.
I mean, it's a little sour when you bite into it.
Yeah. All right, Oakley, go ahead.
I do not. I do not like blueberries.
It's actually really good.
All right, so she doesn't like any fruit, but she's gonna try it.
I don't want to bite it. It's
So she
good,
doesn't
but
like
no.
it. Mmm.
Ah,
good.
that was hard.
Oh, okay, Nolan.
Those got very cold.
Ooh,
Okay, I'm
it's a
trying the
colder
raspberry.
one. Okay. Mmm. Is it good? Ooh, their faces.
That was really sour.
Yep.
It's good though.
All right, so make sure you like and subscribe to our
That
channel.
was delicious, and that's a
Okay, now we have already said this, but just in case you forgot, since you saw all that, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And hit the bell.
And hit the bell button down below if you want to get notified whenever we post a new video. And this is our new channel.
Mmm, is that yummy?
Yummy.
Look at his eyes.
All right, thank you guys for watching.
Yep. Oh wait, and don't forget to follow our TikTok. It's at TikTok.
The Roberson Family
Roberson Family 5. And yeah, bye.
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 Bye. Oh, by the way, guys, which one I like the best was the blueberry. They were